Hey you guys, just a really quick video today. I was making some animal fries, so I wanted to share with you my version of In-N-Out's animal style fries. So the first thing I'm gonna do is chop up the potatoes. It's just soaking in water now so it doesn't get brown while I do the other steps. So the next thing is to dice up some onions and then caramelize it. Get it really brown because that's when the flavors really come out. Then put the potatoes in the air fryer, make sure it's nice and crispy. Then pull it out, add some cheese on top, put it back in for 30 seconds and let it melt. You could add some more cheese if you want. We just wanted to finish the bag. That's why we poured a little bit more on top right there. So the next thing is to start assembling. So I'm just showing you that we use a pre-made Thousand Island dressing. Okay, so the next step is adding a little bit more shredded cheese on top. They didn't have the really thin one when I went to the store, so those are a little bit thicker. And then we just use this huge torch to kind of give it a little, I'm not even sure how to kind of burn the edges a little bit. It gives it a little bit of a different flavor. You don't have to do this, or if you do want to do it, you can use a thinner shred, like the more traditional thin shredded cheese, if you'd like it. It'll go by faster if you do that. And then after that, you top it off with some of that caramelized onion that you made ahead of time. And then the next step is to add some of that Thousand Island dressing. So this actually was a meal for me because it's very heavy. There's potatoes, there's the cheese is heavy, and the dressing is very heavy. So that is my version of In-N-Out's animal fries. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you do try this, let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.